Hey guys, on today's video we're going to take a look at dark mode and light mode right here on your Mac. So let's get started. On the top right hand corner of your screen, you're going to see this right here. This is your spotlight. So just click on your spotlight, and once that comes up, just type in System Preferences. System Preferences should look something like this, and this would be the fastest way to get around to it. However, some of you might also have it down here below. So you can open it up as well from down here. Once we open up System Preferences, on the left hand side, on the top left hand side, we're going to see General. Just click on General. Under General, we're going to see all these options. So appearance is exactly what we're looking at. So there's light mode. So let me just change it to light. This is light. This would be dark. And this would be auto. So right now auto should keep it as dark because right now it's nighttime for me. However, during the day, it would change it to light mode. So depending on your light settings, it's gonna go ahead and change it up for you guys. Whichever makes sense, that's better. So therefore, with dark mode, it's gonna be less strain for your eyes if you're working in a dark environment. And on the other hand, if you are working with full light, you might just want light, and you might be able to see things a little bit better. For me, I love to keep this as dark mode because it looks a lot better for me. I can read everything much better. There's more contrast. It just looks a lot more sleek. So that's what I like to do. So obviously if we go back, our menu, everything will look different. And we can switch back and forth at any time. And again, we can have this as auto so it does it by itself. So that's how you can switch from light mode to dark mode, or just leave it as auto and make your Mac do its thing. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.